Hello, I'm Sarthak. So let me show you how to configure Git and GitHub on your desktop and try to upload the codes from your local setup to the Git repository on GitHub. First of all, you require Git software and you need to download it for Windows. Then also in GitHub account, I will show you in a bit how to set up it on the PC. So, first of all, we need to open the Git Bash terminal from the search bar. You just search for Git Bash. It opens this. Then we require two commands for doing the for configuring your local PC with the GitHub. And the commands are like this. The user.name is the username that you have used for GitHub, and the email is the same email that you have used for GitHub. So for me, it's the nobody 12. So I will copy this command, paste. Then my username is the nobody plus 12. Enter. Then I have to do same for email. My email is once I do this, this is the initial configuration that has been done. There will be the verification whenever you do your first commit through this. Okay, so let us go on GitHub and sign into your account. I have logged into my account. You can create a repository from here. I'm creating a new X repo. Then it's public. Keep you can also keep it public and private depending on your usage. License we can take Apache and create the repository. Okay. The thing is you have to copy this HTTPS uh, command and open the Git Bash terminal. Now you can go to the desired location, and I'm opening the Git Bash terminal from here. Git Bash here because I want to store my repo here. So git clone, then paste that command that we copied and enter. So the repository has been cloned here. You can see. Now what we need to do is we need to open it in VS Code. Okay, in VS Code, we can edit and make some changes like index.html, then index.css. We can use the boiler template html5 hello world. We save it and then we also try to open it here. See, the file has been made. After this, what we need to do is uh, go to the terminal where you clone the repo, or else you can also continue on VS Code as it is a better platform. So in VS Code, go to the terminal. Here, write git init. This will initialize your Git repository. It is showing reinitialize because it has been copied from the GitHub. Okay, so here you will add Git status, which will help us to show that there is two file untracked in this repository. So to add this file on the GitHub repository, you need to apply this command git add dot full stop or dot. Dot means that you need to add all the files. You can also do the specific files by saying this or this, but I need to add all the files, so I am going to use dot. Then get add done. So if you check again the status, it will show the color green, which means the changes to be committed, like these changes are being tracked down. Now to add it, we need to commit it using a committed message. So git commit minus m. Then we need to give some message like initial commit escape, then enter. So the changes are being staged locally, but it still hasn't gone to the internet on GitHub. So what we will do, like we will add git push. We will write git push and enter. As we will do, you will be asked for sign in by the GitHub, and click on sign in with your browser. It will open the here browser. Okay. Uh, Actually, the I have already done the setup locally on my browser, so that's why it didn't ask for password and username. But when you will do, it will ask for the sign in username and password, which are same for the GitHub. So the as you can see, the it is written like all these stages are committed from main to main. So if you check the repository that we made on here, if you refresh it, your code has been uploaded to GitHub successfully. Thank you very much.